Hello. Hello. Good morning, folks. Mwah. Good morning. Happy Monday. Back at it. Back at it. Good morning, folks. Good morning. We got a little audience crowd here. Some peaceful protesters. Google, how long until justice for John? Love it. Even the dog is pink today. Okay. It doesn't matter. Like, I was always wondering, I'm like, will people be out there every day? It's like, yep, they will be out here every day for, not the usual, hundreds of people like we used to have for the hearings. Maybe we can have a designated day one of these days where it's just everybody shows up, a big show of force in a couple weeks, something like that. We have a designated day, maybe the first day the defense goes, we can have, a day. Because I get, you can't expect everybody to come out every day. So it's going to be, we probably had 20 people here today down at the courthouse. But it would be cool to have a designated day where it's that's the day we're all showing up in force. Because the other end, it doesn't get it. And we don't have protesters at the other end. We just have them over here. And by the way, now you notice that the other side doesn't show up. I was thinking about that. Even with Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, I mean, you did have some supporters of her there, a couple. Even with the Boston Marathon bomber had people show up on his behalf, and the McAlberts don't. Doesn't that tell you everything you need to know? 𝗄𝗏𝗄𝗏 had people out there supporting him, and Brian Albert doesn't. Jen McCabe doesn't. So except for Ravens Realty, the favorite pro-cop killing apologist realty company in America. They love it. They love supporting their cop killers over there, don't they, folks? But anyway, welcome, folks. If you're just getting here, this is the Bus Stop Live. We have a good crowd here. Let me have people say hello. Oh, yeah. Say hello, everybody. We're doing Bus Stop Live right now. Good morning. We got a good crowd down here. How everyone's feeling? Feeling good. Nice day for this.
We got 2 newcomers here.
Yeah, we got some newcomers. She came all the way from Maine, correct? All the way from Maine and all the way from Orange. Yeah. Correct. All right. So we got some newcomers and the usuals down here. All right. Factually innocent. Love seeing it. So, yeah. Every day they're out here, guys. Every day people, Monday through Friday, are out here holding signs at this very location. The 95 is down. Hello. Phone off. So down there, 95 is the highway. So people that get off the highway come in this way. They will see everything. This is kind of the best place to be. But anyway, so what's happening, guys? Good morning. Great show last night, huh? What a crowd we had there. We had over 5,000 the whole night. I think we got up to 5,500 just on YouTube. Never mind Twitter and the Rumble Rats when you throw them in there too. But yeah, Karen Reed's team has arrived here. They are today. I am told that we will be having Gallagher's here, Lieutenant Gallagher. He was here last Friday, ready to go, but things just took too long. So he is here, and Michael Lank is going today too. So I interviewed. I just posted a video. I asked Alan Jackson on the way in about the witnesses, and I said, do you intend on asking Michael Lank? I have questions for Michael Lank. For instance, my biggest question for him is why, if the I got to cross here. Why, if the Canton police were no longer assigned to the case, the state police took over the case at 6:38 that morning. Why did Jennifer McCabe call you at 8:38? And why did you go to her house at 9 o'clock? Why did you go back to the McAlbert house at 9 o'clock? Right? That's what I like to know. Why didn't you tell them, no, the state police are on this. You can't call me for favors anymore. Dude, they're going to grill that motherfucker today. And he's not even close to top 5 witnesses we all want to see. Michael Lank's a corrupt cop. But he's nothing compared. What they're going to do to Proctor. So they're actually going to have what good is going to come out of these guys? That's what I want to know. What good is it? So here we are. Let's flip it around. Got the media here. All right. They're letting someone see. They all bring their chairs. And they come in there. A lot of these guys get here at like 5 in the morning. Look at Ted. Ted's looking sharp, huh? Sharp fella right there. Grant, not so much. He has pink underpants. Grant has pink underwear. Grant, is that pink underwear? Your underwear is pink, Grant. Do you support Free Karen Reed? Can we juxtapose that? We like your pink underwear. Dude, he had pink underwear. You guys saw that, right? Grant wears pink panties. Grant wears pink panties. You saw that, right? Those were pink. Those were 100% pink. So, yeah. What are we gonna do? Oh, we got more media. You guys saw that, right? Grant 𝗬𝗏. I had to stand next to him when Alan Jackson and them came in. He smells so bad, like exactly as he looks. He has not washed his clothes in forever. His pants are falling down, like he's in a rap video or something. He's wearing pink panties. Pink panties, you saw that. And he just, you know, they all come out here, like real reporters might not be able to get in. As you can see here, we got a couple people, you know, still in line. And like, will they be able to get in? Because Grant takes up a spot? I don't know. But, you know, we're trying to get a pass ourselves. We're trying to get in here because I have a right to be in here. I'm a reporter. I'm an award-winning journalist, they say. That's what they say. So, you know, we'll see if we can get in here. We will see. Look at the traffic down there. I mean, by the way, when Karen came in, you'll see the video. It's like every car is yelling, you got this, Karen. Like random people just walking by. Everybody knows Karen's innocent. Everyone knows I'm innocent. You'll see. You'll see. I love how you just yelled at. I mean, but no, he had pink panties. Like that's wild. He must support Karen. He's got some explaining to do. He's got some serious explaining to do about those pink panties. But anyway, guys, yeah. So the show last night was epic. We'll have another good one tomorrow night. Today should be a very interesting day in court. Michael Lank is going today. If you guys don't know who Michael Lank is, you're going to find out. The beginning of corrupt cops kind of begins today. Because 𝗬𝗏 and 𝗬𝗏 were nothing. They were just responding officers, right? That didn't hear her say I did it. But now we're going to have Lank, and he's got a lot of explaining to do. Hey, what's happening? He's going to have to explain the 𝗵𝗏𝗧𝗏 brothers. He's got a lot of explaining to do. He's going to have to explain why he inserted himself into this story. He's just got a lot of explaining to do. So it's going to be interesting. And Alan Jackson, as we've seen, is a shark on cross-examination. And, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. What do we got here? Hello, sir. Hello. Hold on. What about Good? I'm guessing he's going to be on the list. I mean, he would be the last one to have, right? Lieutenant Good now, or is it Sergeant? I forget. Usually when you do something wrong in the Canton Police Department, you get promoted. So I'm assuming he's a lieutenant by now. Remember, Good is a close personal friend of Jillian Daniels. Oh, shout out to Jill Daniels, by the way, at Plain Ridge Casino yesterday. We got some pictures of her there. She won. She won big. So congratulations, Jill. Maybe you can take some of those winnings and get some skincare. I'd highly recommend it. You know, skincare is in right now with girls. Like my 9-year-old daughter, like I don't know what that means. She's like skincare. That's all girls do now is talk about skincare. And like she wanted a mini fridge for her birthday for skincare. I don't know what that means, but that's what they do now. But Jill Daniels should definitely invest in some skincare. It would do her wonders because she's not fat. Like she's like in good shape, but she's just got to, I mean, I'm not trying to be mean, but she's just looks like a beat up leather couch. It's not good. She doesn't have to, you don't have to look like that, Jill. You're the same age as Karen Reed. It doesn't have to be this way. It doesn't have to be this way. So anyway, let's see. Anyway, read some comments. What are people saying? Katie can't wait for Lank to take the stand so people will stop talking about her. I know. Wasn't Lank standing guard over Chris Albert at the select board meetings? No, that was not him. But Lank is also going to have to explain, he's the only one who went in the house. The only one. And they're going to have to explain why he didn't search the house or anything like that if they're finding a dead cop on the yard. You know what I mean? A little awkward there. What else are people saying? Can't wait for more BS. He is high. Okay. Is there really one more firefighter? God, I hope not. No more firefighters, please. I was worried that it would be like nurses and stuff today, because I'm not looking forward to hearing them either. I have no interest whatsoever. No offense to the nurses out there, but it's not going to explain how John O'Keefe was killed. I don't really know what you're going to say. Or like the doctor, I don't really need to hear from him. The medical examiner, I love to hear from the medical examiner. I got a lot of questions for her, and I'm sure Alan Jackson does too. Imagine she gets on the stand, she's like, I was pressured to say. Imagine she says that, like something wild like that happens. Like, ooh, that would be crazy, but okay. Firefighters have to shovel the apron. What is this apron people keep talking about? Robbery is the last firefighter. Okay. Why is Grant allowed inside? Because he's got a press pass, man. What can we expect from Lank and Gallagher? I mean, Gallagher is going to say what all the cops have said. There was no taillight there, and Karen Reed didn't say I did it. Like, I don't even know why they're bringing people like him up. No way the 𝗲𝗄𝗏 evidence gets brought in. Well, not with Lank, it probably won't, but they're on the defense list, the two 𝗲𝗄𝗏 brothers, which is wild. Wild. Okay. All right. Anyone else have any questions before we call it a day? I'm going to start heading back soon. I'm going to try to stream from the car on the way home. I've never done this before, but I got what's called a hotspot now. I'm moving up in the world. So we're going to try to stream the hearing in the car on the way home and see if it works. But over on the YouTube streets, the apron is at the fire station. You zoned out when the firefighters were talking about it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just wasn't paying attention. I zoned out a lot. Not going to lie, when the firefighters were talking. I've been looking forward to this trial for months, years, over a year really. And then they get on there and we're talking about, firefighters. It just don't give a shit. How did Lank get promoted when the town signed a lawsuit agreement with stipulation not to promote him? Oh, because 𝗵𝗏𝗏 is their chief of police, and he's followed by Helena Rafferty. That's how. There's your answer. Duh. People like him advance in the Canton Police Department. Anybody else? Okay, let's enjoy it today. 9 o'clock it starts. 9 o'clock. Free Kearney from Colorado. Nice to see. Nice to see. Okay. But anyway, all right, cool. Lally established the apron got shoveled. Like an actual apron? A kitchen apron? You said last night the feds are investigating this. Well, duh. Any other thoughts? No, I mean, I don't know anything more than you guys know. And I don't like to speculate too much, All right, guys. So, aren't Grant's computer stickers a demonstration? That's actually a good point. That's actually a really good point. And maybe the judge, somebody should bring that up. Who is to take the stand today? Lank and Gallagher for sure. But anyway, so we'll see you guys soon. Go over to YouTube. I'll be on there soon streaming. I love you guys. And tomorrow I'll actually be at the bus stop for the Bus Stop Live. I'll be here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday this week if you want to come on down. All right? Peace, Turtle Riders.